My hair feels so rich. It looks so good. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, because gentlemen can do this treatment too. They grow gorgeous, beautiful hair just like us. Welcome back. So, this is a part 2 on how to apply the cinnamon, cayenne, and aloe vera mask. You should apply this on damp hair directly onto your scalp. I tried it for the first time on this video on pre-pooed hair, but it was difficult to work with the paste. So I definitely recommend damp hair because that is what I do on a regular basis. Make sure you massage this treatment into your scalp thoroughly. I was not doing that properly here. I normally massage it thoroughly into my scalp so that I can feel the tingling sensation. And like I always say, don't forget to do a patch test to check for any reactions that you might have to any of the products that I've used. And then from there on, as I've said before, I use a plastic wrap, but you're more than welcome to use any type of plastic. I use this because I love the way it holds the product together. So this is my favorite. Put on a shower cap and leave it on for about 30 minutes, then wash and condition as per usual. And it's the next day. My hair feels so rich. It looks so good. I am totally feeling it. So I'm quickly showing you how to style your hair. A quick 5 minutes. It will literally take you 5 to 10 minutes. It won't take you an hour like most people believe natural hair takes long to style. It really doesn't. So what I would normally do is I either have a high puff or I have two puffs, any style that is really quick for me to do. I don't want to spend the whole morning looking at myself in the mirror. So this is a quick hairstyle that you can do if you have somewhere to go. And then I use the Native Child castor oil on my edges. I don't like to use gel on my edges. I stopped doing that a long time ago because for one, I'm not a fan, and also I found that it really damages my edges, so I prefer to stick to my castor oil to lay my edges. I don't have to have fancy laid edges. And then I also apply it on my nape. Don't forget the nape. I know a lot of people forget the nape when it comes to moisturizing. And there you have it. Gorgeous hair, African hair. Totally feeling myself, loving myself, and I wear my hair every single day. Don't forget to keep a positive mindset, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you all.